Hello guys. I understand a lot of people they can't make, for example, they don't have money to open an account. They just begin working and they have a small salary or small paycheck. And most of the people they do what we call 401k, and basically each paycheck or each salary, uh, some money is cut from their account, 1% or 2% or 6% or 5%, depending on how much they want. Please, and this company will match, which is giving more money, and then all this money goes to the 401k, which is basically many mutual funds. Now, a lot of people they don't understand what are these pros or cons of this mutual fund. In this video, I will just give you the pros. It means something good about this. Okay, so most of the time you don't worry about anything. Each paycheck they cut some money, they match some money from the company, either 100% or 50%, depending on the company, and your money is put into mutual funds. Now, what is a mutual fund? It's just a fund. It means there is money in it, and there is a manager who buys the stocks. Okay? The good thing is that you are getting always the average of the market. Since a mutual fund is a collection of stocks, of bonds, of a lot of stuff, so always you get the average. So you are not losing a lot of money when the market is going down. You are not losing a lot of money, and when the market is going good, you are not going to get too much money. Okay, so this is because of this average, and because the people they don't do anything. There are some people who are so lazy that in 10 years, in 20 years, they will never see where is their money put. And I have made a lot of videos asking people to check. Sometimes these mutual funds are bad. You should change them according to your 401k. So the most important thing about these mutual funds is that stability of investment. So what do I mean by stability? It means since they buy a lot of stocks, they give you the average. Now the average is always the average. It means you are not getting too much money, you are not losing too much money. And some people, especially the people who are old, they like this because they know how much they have for their retirement, and they don't want that this money goes down too much, and they are okay to make some money each year from the market without being worried to lose too much. But if you, for example, you buy a stock, a company, you put all your money in a company. If it is doing good, you can make a lot of money. But if this company is doing bad, you will lose a lot of money. Okay? So that's why stocks are risky. That's why they don't put them into the 401k. And there are other reasons I will be speaking about later in the something cons. It means the drawbacks of mutual fund. So please, if you have a question or you are new to investing and you don't know what's this 401k or other plans, please ask questions and I will be ready to help you, just to give you some information to begin with, and then you can just dig into it and you can have more information about from other sources. Okay, so thank you very much and have a nice day.